Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we have a whole lot of American silver coins and one gold international coin, which I will show at the end. So the first lot I have here is this lot, these coins. So these are $1, 1986 Liberty. So this is a commemorative coin that was minted in 1986 for 100 years anniversary of the Statue of Liberty, which is the American symbol for liberty and freedom. And I believe that they use the profit from these coins to support the maintenance of the statue. So these are proof coins, and you can see here the proof finish. Looks like a mirror. On one side you see the statue, and of course in red we trust, and on the other side here is $1. Yeah, very nice coins. So I bought a bunch of them. So this is the first one. The second here is a whole lot of American silver dollar. And by the way, this is a silica shell to help absorbing any kind of moisture. For this coin it doesn't matter, because you know these coins are basically circulated and old coins. It does help for, let's say, semi-numismatic coins and coins that you would like to preserve from any kind of, you know, over humidity, moisture that may cause milk spot. Is it needed for, let's say, junk silver and silver dollars? I believe no, but this is just one of my standard. I always believe that standardization is the best thing for any kind of business. So I always use this silica gel. So these are more than dollars. There is nothing special about these. These are normal dates: 1883, 1896. Nothing special. One thing I like about silver is the feel of silver. You will really feel that you are holding something. The sound of silver, really amazing. So yeah, so this is a whole bunch of American more than dollars. There's a bunch of also piece dollars. Some of them are very toned here. Again, this is nothing special. All non-key dates, all normal dates: 22, 23. Here another more than dollars, more than dollars. The condition, of course, circulated. Some of these are cleaned, definitely. Yeah. but it still has its value, has its silver value. Oh, this one, yeah, just on the edge. Here as well, more peace dollars and American silver eagle. These are pure silver, 99.99 silver. 1988, 1990, 1990, and you can hear the sound of silver. Very, very nice. And more silver eagles, but these silver eagles are packed in this plastic envelope. Very nice. Most of them are 1989. Some of them are 1987, and some of them are actually proof. So this is a proof coin. Let's compare the proof with the normal one. So this is the proof on the left, this is the proof, and this is the normal one. On the left side you can see the proof finish, the mirror finish. It struck deeply. On the other side, very, very nice. Very, very nice. And last but not least, the gold coin. Very special coin. It's not an American coin, it's a Japanese coin. I will make a special video for this coin because this coin is very, very rare. This is 5 yen gold coin, 1873, or Meiji 6. You can see here this is 5 yen. Here Japan, and here is the year, Meiji 6, and of course in the middle here you can see the dragon very, very clearly here. Very, very beautiful. And on the other side, very, very pretty coin. So again, I will make a detailed analysis about this coin because it deserves. It has a very high grade MS66. I think that the highest grade in this coin is 67, and this coin worth roughly, I would say, $4,000 to $4,500, $5,000, depends on the auction and market demand. Yeah, so that's all for today. I hope that you liked the video. If you liked the video, please like and share and subscribe. Thank you so much, and I wish you a very good day.